Hi, it's me again with Corel Drills, Tips and Tricks. A friend of mine posted on Facebook today about a problem, and I tried to answer it and evidently didn't answer it correctly. And then two people answered her. I've never run into this. I've got 3 pages. I'm going to be on third page. Right here is your desktop and it's locked. Well, if you accidentally unlocked it and you actually had that checked and you draw a rectangle here, and then you go to page 2, that rectangle's on all your pages, which could be helpful. You know, it could be helpful if you were going to type some text about the drawing, like in a laser engraver, 70 speed at 100 power, 400 DPI. That would be on all your page. Well, see, I wasn't writing on the desktop. So let's do this. And that's what I don't understand, how even with this unlock, you have to click on that to do that. What I should have done, I should cut and paste that. So I'm going to copy. I'm going to copy that and get rid of it. Now I'm going to check on the desktop. And I'm on page 3. I'm going to paste it over here. But look at it, it's on all the pages, which could be helpful for a laser engraver to let you know what you need to do it at. So there, 2 people helped her today, and thanking them for that. And I messaged them, and one of them's already gotten back to me. So just have this locked, and then you can't actually draw on that desktop. So you actually have to go to page 1 to draw something. And then when you do that, it's not on the other pages. I was a little bit confused because my friend was calling it the wide area. I guess she was talking about off the page. But if you keep this locked, you can't draw on that layer. So anyway, just go to page 1 and forget about it and just keep that locked. See, like I'm having trouble right now getting out of it. The active layer desktop is locked, so let's unlock it. And let's draw 2 squares and see it's still there. So I'm a little bit confused. Because they said to keep that locked. I guess I'm going to have to go to layer 1 to draw something. And I'll draw 2 off the page. There we go. That's what it is. So just 1, don't go here, but keep that locked. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.